Today we're going to have a look at how to create the Moddex CB35 railing system. So the first thing I like to do when we are using the Moddex railings is to investigate the way they've been used in the Moddex railing file a little. A couple of ways to do that. One, of course, is to just have a bit of a look in the 3D view and see what components it's been made up of. As sometimes some of the railings, to get an accurate representation, you need to draw multiple objects. In this case, it looks like the CB35 is just one straight railing, so that's going to be quite a lot easier. The next thing is to edit the path, and then in there we can see I just take the dimensions of the offset from the edge of the ramp or floor and any radius bends that have been added in there. Once I have that information, it's then a fairly simple process of copying to the clipboard, going to the desired project and pasting that. So now that we have that in here, we can once again, we can see that the objects are working correctly. Just to demonstrate how they're drawn, I've deleted them and we will draw them again. So since they're railings, we're going to go to the Architecture tab and start the Railing tool and select the Moddex CB35 railing type. The next thing I'm going to do is pick my host as being the ramp, and then I'm going to start drawing, and I'm going to put in an offset of -62.5. Depends on the direction you draw, and that gives me the offset that I'm after on the inside there. And it's important the direction you draw, so I want it to start at the bottom of the ramp and finish at the termination up here, which might be on a wall, etc. Then I'll add a radius of 62.5, and once I've done that, we finish the sketch, and having a look at that in 3D reveals that it is working as required. To complete the other side, it's just going to be a repeat of the same thing. Set my host, set my offset. This time it's positive because of the direction I'm going. Now I'll stop here and then I'll start again here. You'll always stop at the point of a change of slope, and I will put in my fillet. Finish, and once again you can see that is now looking as desired.